Here's what we're doing with education settings in 2026. So we're working with schools, colleges and educational trusts to help them with their marketing and PR. Now we've been doing this for quite a few years now and we like to think we know what we're talking about. So what are we doing? Well, actually it all starts with the media. So we're coming into schools and capturing professional media, both video and photography, in order to take into their marketing materials. We're creating school promotional videos, we're doing candid interviews with people, with students, with staff. There are so many stories to tell in education settings, and we want to be there to help do that. So we're telling stories with video. Next up, we're also taking photos. Now we can take these photos not into just the digital spaces, but we can also take them into our prospectus services that we offer. An education prospectus is still a great way of showcasing what it is that you do. So whether that be a school, college, or university, we're here to help get your prospectus produced, printed, and out there. So after we've done the video and the media, what else are we doing? Well, we are looking for opportunities to tell stories. Now, these are the stories that happen on a weekly and monthly basis in your setting. Now, whether that be a feature on social media, feature on your website, or even a news feature like a press article or similar, we are here to help. Education settings have fantastic stories to tell. We want to know about all the good things that are happening. So whether it's a charity event, a fundraiser, or a pupil has done some work in their community that really should be recognised, we want to hear about it. We've got a proven track record of working with education settings, share their stories and showcase what it is that they do. Our outreach work in education has delivered some fantastic results. We have supported Darlington College with TV advertising, delivering 4 TV campaigns over the last 4 years, which have delivered great results. So have you thought about what you're doing with marketing education in 2026? If not, give us a shout. We'll come and help you do the thinking.